Okay guys, last time we introduced the idea of combined or complex shapes. This is the second video for this stuff. Instead of finding a shape that's been added to another shape, we're going to find what happens when we punch a hole through another shape. When we add combined shapes or add the area of two shapes together, we get a larger area. In this case, we've got a hole punched through a trapezoid, so we lose area. So instead of area total being a combination of the two, its area total is equal to the first shape, subtract the second one. So I'm going to label up the larger shape, shape 1, using a different color marker here, and then label this one up, shape 2. This is the hole. In this case, it's a trapezoid shape that's had a parallelogram punched through it. In real life, this could represent land. I mean, this could be a parallelogram lake, who knows, on a trapezoid-shaped piece of land. Shapes rarely work out to be this nice, but it's the overall idea. So, same idea. Start off with an overview formula, and this one I'll leave myself just a little more room to sub in and solve at the end. The area total is equal to area 1 minus area 2. It's the overall area of the trapezoid, subtract the area of the parallelogram. So we're going to solve for the area of the trapezoid first. Area 1 is equal to bracket A plus B times H divided by 2. A, B, H. The height's here, it's 12 meters. It's kind of hiding. We're trying to find the area of this shaded in area. 12 meters. I'll use A being the bottom here, 40 meters. 24 up top. And then we just sub in bracket 40 meters plus 24 meters times 12 meters and divide by 2 is equal to, I can do the stuff that's on the inside, 64 meters, there's nothing left to do, and I can do the division here, 6 meters. On the side, I know that 6 times 4 is 24 meters. 6 times 6 would be 36, but it's 6 times 60, so 360. 360 plus 24, 384 meters squared. On the side here, I can now do area 2. So do a line down. Area 2 is equal to base times height. It's a parallelogram, and the formula is base times height. Take the values and sub them in. The height's given in the middle, it's 5 meters. The base is 10 meters. Is equal to 10 meters times 5 meters. So 50 meters. Now in this case, it's a length times a length, so it's an area, 50 meters squared. I go back up here and I sub the values in where they belong. 384 meters squared, subtract 50 meters squared is equal to 334 meters squared. So there's my final answer. It works out to be less than the area of the larger shape, and that should make sense. It's had a hole punched through it. It's lost area. So look for little things like that when you're double checking your final answer. And that's kind of it. Those are the two big ideas in this combined or complex shapes section, where we just have to look at the different shapes we know, use their area formulas to find slightly more complex ideas. All right. So the actual idea of complex area, will you ever use it in real life? Probably not. The idea of taking smaller ideas and combining them into a much larger one, you're going to use from now until you die.